Hi guys, this is Ayman with a new video. The topic of my today's video is 10 ways to reduce your anxiety. Stress has increased so much during these unprecedented times. Many times we come across situations when you feel like your anxiety is out of control. In this video, I'm going to discuss 10 tips, simple practices that you can do when you feel that your anxiety is getting out of control. Number 1, drink cold water. Cold water stimulates your vagal nerve and calms you down. Number 2, 4-7-8 breathing technique. 4-7-8 breath helps you to calm down when you're having a panic attack or anxiety attack. It will give a signal to your brain that you are in a safe place. Also, it helps you to improve your focus. And if you do it before going to bed, it will improve your sleep as well. You can do it 3 times together. And then you can also build your way up gradually to 8 times together at one time. Let's practice 4-7-8 breath. So what we're going to do is we're going to exhale out as long as possible. Then we're going to inhale for 4 counts. Then we're going to hold that breath for 7 counts. And then exhale out for 8 counts. Let's do it. Number 3, change your body posture. For example, from sitting to standing and from standing to sitting. This also helps in anger management. Number 4, meditate. Meditation can really help when you have an anxiety attack or a panic attack. Number 5, talk to your mom. It is said that your mother's voice leaves a very calm and a soothing effect on you. Number 6, get your small, incomplete tasks done. Completing small, incomplete tasks reduces anxiety. Number 7, indulge yourself in a small self-care activity. For example, females can apply makeup and men can get themselves busy in shaving. Or get yourself busy in choosing and applying a nice perfume. Number 8, doctor's visit and write medicines. If you're having a severe anxiety attack and you think it's getting out of control, go see a doctor. Beta blockers or some relaxing medicines can be really helpful. And for future potential difficult situation like this, always keep these medicines with you all the time, just in case you need them. Number 9, plan for only 2 days ahead. If you foresee a big task coming ahead, plan for only immediate 2 days ahead. Focus on only coming 2 days and how to make them better. Only 2 days. Number 10. Practice 5-second technique. Count in reverse with full concentration. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Girls and guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. But don't feel stressed. If you like this video, you can also like my video. But you don't have to if you don't like it. Feel free not to. But thank you so much for watching my video.